Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable and disable incognito mode on YouTube. Let's start it. First, open YouTube app. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click on profile icon. At the top of the screen, under the channel name, swipe right. Here you can see Turn on Incognito option. Tap on it. Now you have enabled the incognito mode. In this mode, the videos you are viewed will not be saved in the history. To disable incognito mode, at the bottom of the screen, tap on profile icon. In this page, you can see Turn off Incognito option. Tap on it. Now you will be back into your YouTube account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.